The probiotic industry is full of products that do absolutely nothing. But one brand figured out the science, built a capsule that actually works, and turned it into $200 million in revenue, a $1 billion valuation, and a 500% growth in just 3 years with a single product. This is the story of Seed, and in this video, we're breaking down the origin, the science-first branding, the marketing playbook, the website, and how they went from a single supplement to one of the fastest growing DTC brands in the entire world. If you're new here, hi, I'm Azra from ZipChat, the AI agent for e-commerce that turns browsers into buyers. And every week on this channel, we break down one successful DTC brand and show you their exact strategies so you can steal it and apply it to your own Shopify store. Before we jump into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a big thumbs up to show some love. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's jump straight to the video. Seed was co-founded by Katz and Dhir. Raja came from the biotech world. He'd been very deep in microbiome research for years. Ara is the interesting one though. Her background was actually in media and tech. So how does someone like that end up building a science company? She actually lost her mom to pancreatic cancer at 16, and that sent her down to a lifelong obsession with health science. Reading papers, understanding clinical trials, trying to understand why the gap between what science knows and what people actually do about their health is so huge. When two of them finally connected, they both saw the massive problem. Gut health at the time was exploding on social media. Every wellness influencer was suddenly talking about their microbiome, and probiotics were being shouted into everything. Sodas, granola bars, gummies, vitamins, even chocolate. New brands were popping up everywhere, making vague claims with zero clinical evidence. And for the first time ever, everybody was aware of this real area of science, but instead of building credibility, all that attention was actually creating skepticism. Doctors didn't trust it, scientists were frustrated, and consumers had no idea what was actually real and what was marketing. Ara and Raja saw that gap between what the science actually showed and how it was being sold to people. And that's exactly where Seed Health was born in 2016. Not to ride the wellness wave, but to be the brand that finally did it right. Here's what makes Seed's positioning so different than any other supplement brand out there. While most brands in this space are selling you the clean living aesthetic and very pretty packaging, Seed is selling you published, peer-reviewed clinical research, and somehow making it look good at the same time. And the way they see this is simple. What's the point of having real science if nobody can understand it? So they made it their mission to take very complex research and make it accessible. And you can see that in their branding. If you go to their website or look at their packaging, it doesn't look like your usual supplement brand. It looks like something you would find in a lab, but still aesthetic enough that you want it on your shelf. Everything is green, scientific, very minimal. They position themselves as a microbiome company, not a supplement company. That's a big deal because when you call yourself a science company, you actually have to back it up. So while other brands are just slapping gut health on a label, Seed is running real clinical trials. And they've even won an award for how they explain the science, not just the product itself. Here's a dirty secret of the probiotic industry. Most of the products we see on shelves don't actually work. The bacteria in them gets destroyed by your stomach acid before it even reaches your gut. So oftentimes you're actually paying for something that doesn't really do anything and just dies inside you. Seed knew this super well, so they built their own delivery technology. A capsule within a capsule that protects everything until it actually gets where it needs to go. That became DS01. Their daily sunbiotic, which is basically a prebiotic and probiotic in one. And for years, that was the only product they sold. Then they expanded into a kid's sunbiotic, the first ever vaginal sunbiotic, and in 2025, they launched a whole new line covering energy, sleep, and a daily multivitamin. But still to this day, DS01 is still the core of the brand. Their subscription model is also nothing less than bold. When Seed launched, you couldn't buy it one time. It was subscription only, $49.99 a month. And they didn't apologize for it. They explained why. This is a daily supplement. It takes time to work. Your microbiome needs consistency. They also included a 30-day guarantee, so you were not like totally locked in. And the packaging plays into the business model perfectly. When you subscribe, your first order comes as a starter kit with a dark glass jar. Then every month after that, your subscription just ships you a compostable refill pouch that you pour back into the jar. So they save on packaging and shipping costs on every renewal. Their margins get better the longer you stay subscribed. And for environmentally conscious customers, they even feel good about the renewal because even the shipping materials they use are biodegradable. So you know how most supplement brands do influencer marketing, right? They pay someone to hold up the product, read a caption, post it, and it's basically done. Seed said, no, we're not doing that. Instead, they built something called the Seed University. It's basically a full course, 6 units, over 500 frames of content that teaches you about the microbiome, how probiotics actually work, what the clinical research says, and even the FTC rules around making health claims. And at the end of all this, there's an actual exam. If you don't pass, you don't get an affiliate code, period. You can promote Seed. So what does that do? It means every single person talking about Seed online actually understands the product. They're not just reading a script, they can answer real questions. And in an industry where influencers make health claims about things that they don't understand, that is a huge differentiator. Now, here's where it connects to their paid strategy. About 70% of Seed's meta ad budget goes towards whitelisted influencer content. So the ads run through the influencer's actual personal account, but Seed's growth team manages the targeting and the spend. And they're spending 7 figures a month on Meta alone. And their top performing ad concept, it's about pooping, seriously. Will I poop when I'm traveling? Will I go before the big game? It sounds funny, but that's their #1 hook on Meta. Because if you think about it, that's the actual thing people really care about. On the organic side, they've got nearly 500,000 followers on Instagram, and their content feels nothing like a supplement brand. It's educational, visual, science-driven. They find trending health topics, spot the misinformation, and create content that sets the record straight. Now, let's talk about their website, because Seed's product pages are the most information-heavy product page I've ever seen in my life. Go to seed.com and click on any product. Okay, let's take the Energy Plus focus page. You'll see clinical data, detailed ingredient breakdowns, activation timelines showing when each compound kicks in, comparison charts against competitors, third-party certifications, and links to published research. It's thorough, it's impressive, and it is a lot. Here's the thing, Seed covers their entire product pages with trust signals. Clinical studies, strain-by-strain efficacy data, biomarker charts, doctor endorsements. And that is great for building credibility, but realistically, no one has the time nor the patience to go through all that scientific data. Most browsers or shoppers just want quick answers. Is this safe to take with my medication? How is this different than a probiotic that I already take? When will I see results? And when those questions go unanswered, people bounce. And even though they have all these information on their product pages, that lack of instant answers might be costing them some real money. That's exactly why a brand like Seed needs an AI-powered sales and support chat like ZipChat. Instead of customers endlessly scrolling through pages of clinical data just to find one specific answer, they can just ask. ZipChat is fully trained on the product, every ingredient, every study, every FAQ, and can answer in seconds. Seed could fully customize the look and the tone of the AI agent to match their scientific premium brand voice, making it feel like you're chatting with someone who actually understands microbiome science. For a brand that already invests so heavily in education, adding an AI layer that delivers that education instantly, right at the moment of purchase, is what's missing on their website. Now, let's zoom out a bit and look at the trajectory, because it is wild. Seed was DTC only for years. Everything went through their website, seed.com, on subscription. That gave them complete control over their pricing, customer data, the brand experience, and of course, it built a predictable recurring revenue base. Then they started expanding. Amazon in 2024, Target later that year, Sprouts in 2025, and they're planning international expansion in 2026, so literally this year. By 2024, they were doing around $200 million in revenue, and Reuters reported they were exploring a sale at $1 billion valuation. Cameron Diaz, Jessica Bell, Carly Katz, they're all investors. All of that from one capsule, 2 founders, and a belief that science deserves better storytelling. Before we wrap up, I want to share 3 things that you can take away from Seed and apply to your own store. First, educate your affiliates before they promote you. Seed built an entire university with an exam. Of course, you don't need to go that far, but even a short training document or a quick video that makes sure that your partners actually understand what the product does will set you apart from every brand that's just sending out discount codes. Second, if you sell a subscription, sell the reason, not the discount. Seed launched at $49.99 a month with 0 discount and no one-time purchase option. They explained why consistency matters for the product to work. Most brands bribe people into subscribing with like a 10% off. off. Seed made the subscription feel like the only way to use a product properly. Now, that was it for today's video. If you got some value out of it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you already haven't, to support us and also to not miss these weekly brand breakdowns. And for those of you who want to learn more about ZipChat, I left the link in the description box. You can go check it out. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys with a brand new brand breakdown next week. Bye.